A dictionary is a mutable, unordered collection ordered in Python 3.7 plus of key-value pairs. Characteristics: keys must be unique and immutable. Strings, numbers, tuples, values can be any Python object. Dynamic sizing. Common operations is insertion, modification, and deletion of key-value pairs. Iteration over keys, values, or items. Dictionary comprehensions for creation transformation. Dictionary in Python. We will use fruits as an example for our dictionary. Fruits is an associated dictionary. As fruit names, fruits are keys, and their price, these are their values. The form of the dictionary is a continuation. We use braces. After the fruit, we put 2 points to express value, and a comma that separates the fruits. Quotation marks for the text fruit. And we put the value directly. For the prices, since they are numbers, we give different prices. For fruits, bananas, apple, avocados. To ensure that the variable fruits is a dictionary, we write print. Well, we open the parentheses. We write type, and I open the parentheses. Well, we write fewits. And we close the 2 parentheses. And we execute our code. The type is very classic. That is to say, dictionary. And the values of our dictionary. It's displayed correctly. In Python, we can create a nested dictionary. That is 2 dictionaries in a single dictionary. We are going to delete all of that. And we're going to shout out a menu. Which is composed of 2 categories. A dictionary that contains foods with 4 dishes, and the price of each dish, and runs away with 3 types of fruits and their prices. Now, we're going to detail all of this. Menus are equal, we open the braces. Food is in single quotation marks. Well, colon and type. The first dictionary. Commonweal fruits and the 12th. In the same way. And call the print function. We open the parentheses and type menus. And in brackets food. And we close the parentheses. On execute, the food menu is displayed. The dishes and also the prices.